talk about lifestyle, travel, and fashion. And if this is your first time, welcome. And if not, welcome back. So if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? On this channel, we do love to explore and have fun. And baby, when you over your age of 50 and you still having fun, this is where you need to be. But I am out. If you can see, I'm in my car. I'm getting ready to go to a birthday celebration. One of my besties, it's her birthday. Her birthday was in January. But because there was so much going on in January, all of us just could not get together. But we are getting together. It's February. I know it's a month past her birthday, but we are getting together. And I am here now at the bank because I want to put something in her card. Do y'all hate it when y'all go to the bank and they at the teller and they just sitting there like wishing and hoping money would come through? If you don't have no money, you need to leave. That's just the bottom line. Anywho, I just got to get some cash. So we're going to the butcher shop in Cordova. So we're going there. It's 5:12. We have to be there at 6. So I haven't ate anything today. Yes, I did. I ate some eggs and oatmeal. You know, my favorite. And I'm starved. See you guys when I do get to the butcher shop. And yeah.
in my ride, I slide at my roof. You got some time, I'm tryna slide through. You might have thought that you could find two, but no one provide the vibe that I do. And shawty, I like how you move, and you can, but not on that dude. Cause you said you like how I do this. You said it's a vibe, it's a mood. You probably never in your life thought that you would hear somebody talk the way that I talk, or see somebody that could walk the way that I walk. I feel the same about you. I like it when you do what you do, and I don't really need a reason to turn it up and take over the whole season. Putting up numbers no matter who playing defense. And when I say it, no, I mean it. Got the game sold up, don't need a seamstress. You see me in these fabrics, I mix the vanity with neighborhood and some palace. Up in some black Phantom ones with the cactus. Look, all I'm saying is I don't do nothing average. Throw it back and get it back. We have emotion, they thinking that it was thought. For what? This if I ever thought it was obvious. There ain't nobody better, I promise. You better stop it. Locked in forever, no falling off is not an option. Hop in my ride, I slide at my roof. You got some time, I'm tryna slide through. You might have thought that you could find two, but no one provide the vibe that I do. And shawty, I like how you move, and you can, but not on that dude. Cause you said you like how I do this. You said it's a vibe, it's a mood, yeah. So tell me how you feel, but there's no need to lie to me. So keep it real, it's more than eyes can see. I feel your energy, you hope it lasts forever, you don't wanna ever leave. I just wanna be timeless, and drop hits for the babies and the mamas. Got fly whips and ball hard with the Ohana. Shoot for the moon, yeah, I'm tryna see all the stars close like Solana. Don't be praying on my downfall, I go harder. Although my beats go dumb, I move smarter. I'm just tryna take flight and ball like Vince Carter. But you should know that I'm only just getting started. We have emotion, they thinking that it was thought. For what? This if I ever thought it was obvious. Nobody better, I promise. You better stop it. Out there forever, no falling, that's not an option.
Alright, so I'm home. I am tired. When I say capital T in tired, I am tired. I was not able to, why is these out? Film a lot. I really forgot to film, but we did go a lot of places. IKEA, grocery store, went to Macy's to try to see what we can get at the for their closing sale, and that's about it. And now we are home. We went and got some more fish for the aquarium. So yeah, we are home, and so I want to show you the things that I was able to get at Macy's. Wasn't that much. The thing that went on in Macy's was that they had the shoes on display, what I wanted, but it was just that size. So if you saw the display and it was a size 6, that's the only size that they had in the store. You know what I'm saying? Or if they had a 7.5, that's the only size they had in the store. So basically everything is dwindling down. I know you remember the jewelry that I got last time I was there, the unwritten, and I had said, oh, it's going to be so many, they're not going to get it. Well, they didn't have any left, but probably a handful of them, and them wasn't the ones that I wanted, so I didn't get any of that. But let me show you what I did get today at Macy's. So I got me some more Uggs, not Uggs, but Crocs, some comfortable shoes to wear when I go traveling. I got those. I like these because they got the little cushion inside of it. So these are some good shoes. Let me come a little closer so you can see them. These are the comfortable ones. It has a little cushion on the inside, and they are white. They are the foam wear. So these are going to be comfortable when traveling. I love to wear these when I'm traveling in the airport. The next thing that I got some exercise joggers to get me ready for exercise season. The weather is about to break, and the daylight saving time is going to be changing in 2 weeks, so I will be able to go walking. So I got these. These are some BeBe pants. I got these, and all of these are from Macy's. And then I got some Adidas pants, some that I can wear for exercising. That was cool. Now the shoes that I got. So with the shoes, I really wanted all those shoes that I was gravitating to, but dang it, they just did not have my size. But I was able to get 2 pair. The first pair was some Tommy Hilfiger tennis shoes. I thought these was real cute. I have never really had any Tommy Hilfiger shoes. They are cute, so I'm hoping that they will be comfortable for when me walking around, just when I'm in my relaxed mode. I got these. I got me some Michael Kors summer white shoes, sandals. And I got these wedges. Look at this. Oh my God. And the cushion on the inside. Oh, I will be able to walk in these for a long period of time. These are so cute. It has the MK on the platform. The heel is kind of big, but it is bucky, which is good enough for me to walk. So white, getting ready for spring and summer. So yeah, that's all I got. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end today's video. Thank you for watching. Until the next video, know that you are beautiful from your head to your toes, and that you are loved. You're loved by me, but most of all, you're loved by God. Till the next video. Bye.